Hello everybody. Welcome to this video about overtone singing. The purpose of this video is to clarify in some more detail what you can expect if you have individual coaching with me on overtone singing. First, to make sure we're all on the same page and that you are watching the right video, I'll just give a quick demonstration to show what you will learn. So in this little demo, I basically demonstrated two techniques. If you want to know more about it already, you could watch my tutorials. There's 4 videos on this channel. I will post the links below so you can understand the approach and the way we work. The videos are quite old already, but that doesn't make too much difference. Basically, this is how we'll go about it. For overtone singing, you don't need to have singing experience, musical background. It could help in some ways if you want to understand. If you're a nerdy type and you really want to understand the whole structure of the overtones, then some insights in how music works, what's an octave, what's a fifth, and all this could be useful, but it's not at all necessary. Also, from the vocal point of view, all you need to do is sing one note. So I will help find the most appropriate, best note for you to do it on, where you feel comfortable and where you have the best results. As a rule of thumb, the lower note you will sing, the more overtones you will be able to access. The overtones are quite far from the fundamental tone, so if I'm singing this note, these overtones, the sharp bits, they are very far removed pitch-wise from this lower note. So it is useful to start looking already for how comfortable you feel in the lower part of your voice. The techniques are quite simple, but in the end, how skillful you will get depends on how much you practice after learning the techniques. So basically, overtone singing can be a short track coaching, and then you need to practice. You need to see if you catch the overtone bug and you find yourself practicing. Listening is, I guess, the greatest challenge also for me as a teacher. The hearing, the perception part, what do you hear while you are doing the overtone singing, I cannot control. Sometimes I hear people who have crystal clear, beautiful overtones, and I say, yeah, you're doing great. And they say, well, I'm not so sure. This part is a little bit delicate. I know it can be frustrating. It's no use if the teacher says you're fine and you don't feel you're fine yourself. So I hope I can also offer some tricks and some techniques and helpful ways to hear yourself better. Overtone singing can be used for many spiritual practices. It can be used for accessing your pineal gland. It can be used to calm your brain down or excite your brain. It goes quite straight to the brain. It also can be used for meditation. It can be used to help focus your attention, as we do in the other coaching I do with Write Your Own Mantra. If you become more aware of overtones, you can actually use the overtones that you create whilst singing a mantra to sharpen the focus of your singing. I think that's it for the moment. If you want to sign up already, or if you have any more questions, please write an email. My email address, which will be below, is marcthelemurian@gmail.com. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. And for now, I would say thank you for watching.